welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, it's the end of another trading week. It is Friday. You're heading into your weekend, and we'll see how markets are doing tonight. In the Jamaica Stock Exchange, we're going to kick off with them. That's a proven investments listed in our markets, declaring a dividend here, and it's a good one. Dividend payment of US $0.0014 per share. It was declared at the board meeting that was recently held by the board of directors on June 16th, 2021. Now, if you're an ordinary shareholder and you requested this dividend declared in US dollars, in Jamaican dollars, you can do that. And if so, it's going to be Jamaican 20 cents or so, just under 21 cents per share. Now, the payment date is going to be in July 9th, 2021. Next up tonight, we got Wisynco Group Limited here, announcing some management changes or changes in their management team. It's a light one, not too much, just one change here. So on May 28th, 2021, Ms. Rachel Zacco ceased to hold as in-house counsel and assistant company secretary. Now, in terms of taking up that office or taking up this role position in Wisynco Group, is Mrs. Vanessa Young was appointed to take up this role or this capacity within the company. Now, Lasco Distributors here, considering a dividend. So the meeting of the board of directors is coming up, going to get together. It's scheduled for June 24th, 2021. And what the board has said, if they think it's going to be fit, then they're going to recommend the payment of an interim dividend. The company not known for huge dividend, more of a growth play. The earnings reports have been fantastic at Lasco Distributors. Now, Seprod Limited here, notice of their annual general meeting, that's the AGM, has been posted on jamstockx.com, the JSE. Now, it's going to be held on September 20th, 2021 at 11 a.m. in the morning. It's going to be held at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel or virtually. So you got that option, whatever you decide to do. Last up tonight, before you head into the weekend, Sagicor Group Jamaica here, coming out with some monster news. It's a sale and leaseback of the New Fortress Energy plant. That's a power plant. Now, they got a few of these, so this is in reference to the Clarendon power plant. And talk about a monster deal here for financial markets and for Sagicor Group Jamaica. We're talking about here $285 million US deal. It's subject to regulatory approval. Sagicor says this is the biggest corporate finance deal in the history of Jamaica. Now, in terms of their entities, the group structure, Sagicor Investments is acting as a lead arranger for this deal. Sagicor Group Jamaica and its entities, let's say its related entities overall, they're going to be the anchor investor for this deal. They're going to be investing up to $100 million US in this, while let's say the other $185 million US is going to be arranged or syndicated. And it's just a huge deal. It really, when you think about it, it puts Sagicor Group Jamaica back on the map. They took some, hits with a few investments, the whole Playa shares. They had some management changes within Sagicor Investments, and then boom, they're coming out with this deal now, $285 million US. They've been doing a lot of these monthly or let's say weekly conferences on social media, and now this deal just comes out of the pack from nowhere. Comes Sagicor Group Jamaica with this announcement. So big stuff here by Sagicor. I'm Mark Croskery. Have a great weekend. This is Business Live.